Here's a quick review about this washing machine cleaner. And if you have pets or kids, you know that sometimes your washing machine needs a deep clean. And this is exactly what these are. It's super easy to use. You just throw it in the machine. What I really like about this packaging is that they give you a little calendar so you don't forget when you did it. It's a 1-year supply. And after using it, I did notice that the smell was gone, which is amazing to my opinion. It cleans, it deodorizes, it refreshes, and it's really, really good quality. I'm super grateful for this company that sent this to me for an honest review. I used it, I enjoyed it. I'm super excited to use it the whole year, and I'll highly recommend.